Fine, gentlemen, we're together again. Higher level students doing higher level things. Welcome to the higher level essay online guidance lesson number 1. Today, we are going to be reviewing A7, an essay written at IPS last year, scored by the IB as 7 out of 7. So, your job, objective number 1, is to spend this lesson reading and reviewing a higher level essay scored at 7 out of 7 by the IB. Notice it's not just read, it's review. And as part of that review, we have objective number 2, in which you will be identifying the components of this piece that led it to score the marks that it did. So not just knowing what it scored, but how it scored it and why it scored that mark. I'm not comparing it to lower marked essays because I want you to really unpack excellence and replicate it. So, activity number 1. The reason it's student C is because for the IO recording, we have student A and student B. Anonymity. So, activity 1. Read the higher level essay provided. Just read it. Then, get your highlighters out. Get your comments ready. What is the structure of his higher level essay? What IB concept, which of the 7 IB concepts does he explore? How many sources does he use and how often does he refer to each of them? So does he use 3 sources and refer to each once? Or does he use 2 sources and refer to them many times throughout? Think about the extent to which he uses them. Does he use them tokenistically, or do they actually benefit the paper? Do you feel when you read this citation, it's complemented the essay, or merely with the intent of showing I've done wider research and I'm going to show you by throwing it in? Next, the paragraph structure for the higher level essay is very different. What approach does this student take to paragraph structure? Is it peel or petal? Or is it something a little more advanced? Think about the end of each paragraph and how it feeds into the next. Finally, what do you learn about Pygmalion, the play, from his higher level essay? Now, this is important because you don't know anything about Pygmalion unless you've read the play already or watched My Fair Lady, the musical based upon the play, or the motion picture itself. So I'm interested to see what you get out of it. And if you complete task E, well, clearly, if you're comfortable doing it, it's a well-written essay. So for your high-level essay, do the same. Exchange it with a partner and try and find out what they learn about your literary work from your high-level essay. Then, because we're making headway on our own with our high-level essays, I want you to begin comparing your high-level essay to this higher level essay. So you're going to review the notes that you've taken from student C's higher level essay and identify the similarities and differences in structure between your own and his. How well does he unpack the IB concept compared to you? What IB concept did you choose? And is it central throughout? Remember, in the IO, global issues. In the high level essay, IB concept. And I want you to use the word itself. If you're doing identity, use the word identity. If you're doing representation, use the word representation. Don't take for granted the attitude or potentially the sentiment in which your examiner is marking your essay. It may be positive, it may be negative. Don't give them a reason to mark you down. It's higher level. Finally, how many times does he reference each of his sources and to what effect? This will bring you into a resolution as to whether you feel it is an essay, a literary analysis, or a research paper. I think you'll find it is not a literary analysis. The higher level essay is anything but a literary analysis. It's an assessment of an IB concept. Gentlemen, all the best. I'm in the classroom with you if you need me. Ask questions. Let's succeed together.